Hi guys! Kung gusto niyo i-download yung cheat na to, PH Zack Mods, wait lang guys, ituturo ko sa inyo paano to i-download. Eto guys, at saka paki-click na din niya itong app file latest version. Yun guys, bye!